Om Vakratunda Mahakaya Surya Samapprabha Nirvignam Kuru Me Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada Saraswati Namastubhyam Varade Kamarupini Vidyarambham Karashyami Siddhir Me Sada Saṃskṛtam Dayanandam Paramartha-swarupinam Tattva-jnana-prashastaram Pranatosmi param padam Vagartha-viva sampraktau Vagartha-pratipatthaye Jagatah-pitarau vande Parvati Parameshwaro Yenakshara-samamnayam Adhigamya-maheshwarat Kritsnam Vyakaranam Proktam Tasmai Paninaye Namaha Vakyakaram Vararuchim Bhashyakaram Patanjalim Paninim Sutrakarancha Pranatosmi Munitrayam Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahano Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karavavahai Tejasvinavadhitamastu ma vidvishavahai Om Shanta Shanta Shanti. Yes. 16th onwards we'll do. Okay. Answers are not there. We need to type. Yes. The boy washing the fruit eats them. So yaha saha, right? So like that. The one who washes the fruit, that is the boy, eats them. Two sentences are there. So washing is
बालः प्रक्षालयति.
so balaha prakshalayati, right? One sentence. Then
Balaka khadati.
saha kadati. So yaha balaha what prakshalayati?
फलानि प्रक्षालयति.
Palam or palani, whatever. Yaha balaha palam prakshalayati saha kadati. So you will have always yattad yaha saha always will be there. I think everywhere we have done like that. Yes. Now we can do it. So once we do like this, it's easy. Otherwise also it is easy only. It's yaha saha. Yada tada also. Yada tada is depends actually. One action is completed, other action starts. Yada tada. But this is not like that. But yada tada also sometimes, when sun rises, there is light everywhere. Is it simultaneous or one after the other? So yada tada also possible. So depends. Yada tada also we'll see some examples like that. So now Shatranta would be Balaha Kadati. Yes. Palam Prakshalayan. Prakshalayan, which gana, what dhatu, what gun, 10th conjugation.
Shal dhatu.
Shalayan. Shall become Kshali, Shale, Shalaya. 10th conjugation. Now, future tense. The boy who will wash the fruit. So once we done.
Excuse me, Guruji, before we proceed further, either in this sentence, do we have to again say that phalang khadati to specify that he eats that fruit,
Not
not
required.
just khadati?
Not required. Phalam Prakshalayan Balaha Kadati. Not required, right?
Okay.
So, like that everywhere
You see,
you can
English,
see.
eats them. Them is given to signify the fruit. But in this sentence,
Phalam Prakshalayan. Okay. Oh. Then I will make it like this. The boy washing the fruits eats up because Bhagavachanam. So that's why Palani you said, okay. Yaha balaga Palani prakshalayati saha tani kadati, right?
Khadati. Yeah, yeah.
So similarly,
Phalani
Palani prakshalayan balaga
Tani khadati.
tani
Yep.
kadati.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, Guruji.
Now who will wash the fruit? Will eat. Tell me. Kadati will become
Tadishyati.
Tadishyati. Right? Then prakshalayan.
Prakshalayishyati.
Prakshalisyan.
Prakshalishati. This is future tense. Right? Now, Shatranta would be prakshalisyan. Palam prakshalisyan balaha tani kadishyati. Right?
Guruji, prakshalayishyan, no?
Prakshalayisyan, sorry. Not prakshalisyan. Because prakshale, when Yari Sandhi will happen. Then prakshalayishyan. Yeah. Prakshalayishyati. Prakshalayishyan. Yes, right. Because kshal become kshal, kshali, kshale, kshalayan. And then here we are doing Ishyan also will that. Again, kshali will become kshalai, kshalayishyan. All the process I think we know. Yeah, it's correct. Kshali will become kshale, kshale will become kshalai, followed by Ishyan, then Ishyan. Right? Yes. Okay. Same thing. Okay, just karmani will be, how would it be? Just Palani prakshalayan balaha. Just trying, okay, karmani. How it would be?
Balena
Balena.
khadyate.
Tani only. Pratama Bhagavachanam. Then
Khadyate.
Kadyan. Not Kadyate.
Khadyan.
Kadyante. Keeping with the Vachanam of the karma. Karma is abhigitam in karmani prayoga. Here what will happen? Prakshalayan qualifying bala.
Prakshalayata.
Balena. Prakshalayena. Prakshalayata. Like Patata. Prakshalayata. Then Palani will become?
Palani only.
That will not change. That is the karma for here. Palani prakshalayata balena tani kadyante. Right? Future tense would be karmani. Balena tani kadishyante will be eaten. Right? Karmani. Kadishyante. Prakshalayata. Future tense is
Prakshalayishyata.
Prakshala ishyata. Prakshalayishyata balena tani kadishyante. Don't worry, you will not have all this in the language. Just trying. Okay. You can do like that. Now, here, the fool climbing the mountain wants to touch the sun and eat the moon.
Murkha.
Start from the climbing the mountain.
Arohati. Arohan. Parvatam aroh.
Just will take arogati kaha.
Murkha.
Murkaha arogati. What? Come.
Parvatam.
Parvatam. Murkaha. Parvatam. Arogati. Then one sentence.
Suryam.
Suryam
Sparshitum ichhati.
Suryam.
Sparshitum.
Yes, that you what will come. Suryam. Okay, ichhati first let us take. Ichhati. Saha kaha ichhati saha valaha. Murkaha. Kim ichhati?
Surya.
No.
Suryam Sparshit.
Dhatu
Sprishtam.
is
Sprishtum. Sprish.
Sprish dhatu plus tum. What will happen? You know it.
Sprishtam.
Becomes
Sprishtum.
Dhatu is anit dhatu. No
Sparsh.
itagama. Therefore, sparsh. Yes.
Sparshitum.
Sparshtum. Then shakara and
Sparshtum.
tum. What's in the?
Shutva.
Not Shutva. No, the Shutva will come later. Shutva means then sparshat. You will have anishta rupam. You will have here you will have chum. Sparshchum. No, that is not the form. This is a dhatu ending with shakara followed by jal. Therefore, this shakara will be replaced by murdanya. Don't forget that. Brascha, srja, braja, yaja, braja. All those dhatus. And also dhatu ending with shakara, shakara when followed by jal. Or at the end of the padam will be replaced by murdanya shakara. After that, you do shtutvam. Then you will have sparshtum. Understand?
Okay.
I don't know how many of you said correctly. I don't know. Sparshtum. Okay. Sprish dhatu. Sixth conjugation. Sprishati. Sparshtum. Tum pratyaya. It's infinitive. It will take karma. What is the karma? Surya. Surya is a karma, the object for sparshana kriya. And saha kaha ichati, saha ichati. Saha suryam sparshtum ichati and sparshtum.
Chandram khaditum ichchati.
And want to eat the sun, moon. Then
Khaditum ichchati. Chandram khaditum ichchati.
Chandram cha
Khaditum.
Yeah, Chandram cha kaditum ichchati. You can say, yes. Kaditum ichchati. Suryam sparshtum, Chandram cha kaditum. 2 times ichchati not required. Remove them. Right? Suryam sparshtum. Here what will happen to makara? Anuswara desha. We can do sandhi also. Chandram cha, Anuswara followed by what letter? A letter. Chandan cha. All the sandhi we can do always. Okay. So saha suryam sparshtum, Chandram cha kaditum ichchati. Now, yaha murkaha parvatam aruhati saha. Or yada also okay. Yada murkaha parvatam aruhati tada saha suryam sparshtum kaditum ichchati. Right. Now Shatranta will be
Parvatam arohan murkhaha.
So Parvatam.
Suryam
This you have to put it as Shatranta. Put it here.
Arohan.
Parvatam murkaha arohan rugdatu. Which conjugation? First conjugation. Rug become ro means first it has to be first only. What else?
Yes.
Parvatam arohan murkaha suryam sparshtum chandram cha kaditum ichchati. Simple. Karmani would be okay. Ichchati will become
Aichat.
No. Aichat is Langlakara. No. Ish plus. Ishyate. Simple.
Ishyate.
Kaha. Murkena. Murkena, right? Karta will go in. Tritiya. Murkena ishyate. What? Murkena suryam sparshtum chandram cha kaditum ishyate only. It will be. Okay. Murkena. This will not change. Sparshtum is a Chandram, Sparshtum for which karma is Surya, and Kaditum for which the karma is Chandra. Murkena ishyate. Suryam sparshtum, Chandram cha kaditum ishyate. Right? And Arohan will become Arohata. Right? Understand?
Yeah.
Parvatam Arohata Murkena ishyate. What ishyate if you ask? Suryam sparshtum, Chandram cha kaditum ishyate. Karmani. Since we have done karmani many times, so this is just a thought of adding. Then future tense would be simple. Ichchati will become dhatu is
Ishyate.
Ish dhatu. Tell me, what will be the future tense? Ish plus tat.
Ish plus shya plus tat.
Ish plus, okay. Shattam also we have done. Shattam, very good then. State dhatu, itagama, that's why Shattam. Otherwise Shattam cannot happen. Understand?
Ish ish.
Otherwise it will be Shyati only. How it will become Shyati? And this is not a kit, not a git, not a git. It will cause Sangakarya. Upada is E. Rasva will become Ye. Chakara plus E.
Ishyate.
Eshishyati. You have to form like that. Kaha Murkaha. Parvatam Arohan Murkaha Suryam Spartam Chandram Shakaditum Eshishyati. Now this Murkana Arohan also we have to convert. Who will be climbing the mountain? So what will happen? A plus Ruk. Dhatu is A is Ruk. Then plus Syat. I'm making directly Syat. Of course, if you say Set Dhatu, so Set Dhatu or Anit Dhatu, Ruk Dhatu. You have to find from the Dhatu Pata only. Have the Dhatu Pata open and just check Ruk Dhatu. I think Ruk Dhatu is Anit. Okay, so there is no Ittagama business. So then, what would be the form? No Ittagama. Because I remember Rokshati, the form is something like that. So there is no Ittagama. So therefore, it will be Syat only, not Ishyat. Syat. Therefore, Ru will become Upada. Ro. This is Hakara, okay. Hakara followed by gel letter Sakara. Therefore, Hakara will be replaced by Odaha, Dakara. Dakara followed by Sakara. Then Dakara will be replaced by Kutvam. Remember, Shakara, Dakara followed by Sakara. Then Shattam will happen because of Kakara. Then therefore you will have Arukshyat. Arukshan. Arukshan. Already we have done like this before. You can see. Arukshan Murkaha. Right? Arukshan Murkaha Suryam Spartam Yashishyati. Now, same thing here also. Parvatam Arukshan Murkena. Karmani would be here. Yashishyate is there. Karmani will become 1 minute. Huh? What is the previous one? Okay, here we have not done Karmani. We have done Kadishyati. Kadishyante. Okay. Yes. Yashishyati is there. It will become Dhatu is
Ish plus yak plus
future tense. Okay. There is no yak. This is Shatranta. I think first time we are doing Karmani or with Karmani, we don't matter. Let me check. Okay, this Kadati, then Kadyante, Kadish plus Kadishyante. It's okay. I think we have done here Karmani. And this is, yeah. Dhatu is Ishdhatu. Ishdhatu, Karmani. Sya. Sya only will come. There is no yak business. Yak will come only when it's Sarvadhatuka. This is a future tense. So therefore, and this Itagama will come. This is Sya. Therefore, Ishyate. Ye Shishyate. Then we will call Sangakarya. Ye form become Eshishyate. Eshishyati. Eshishyate. There is no yak. Don't say yak. There is yak. Yak will come only when the Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya follows. Shate is not, Shya is not Sarvadhatuka. Therefore, no yak. Understand?
Yes.
Like Kadati, Kadishyate, kadishyati, kadishyante. Just make it in karma like simple. Ishyati, ishyate. Yeshishyati, yeshishyate. Okay. The man goes to the river bank and sits with the girl. Naraha goes.
Naditiram.
Gachati.
Gachati. Kutra gachati. Oh.
Nadi
Naditiram.
Kaha
Tiram.
gachati. This is karta. Nadi tiram, nadi tatam, whatever it is. Nadi tiram goes to the river bank. Then saha.
Upavishyati.
Where? Upavishati. What else is that?
With the
Gatva.
girl. Saha.
Gatva.
Saha.
Balika saha.
Balika saha.
Not balika
Saha.
saha. Saha
Balika
when you
saha.
say.
Balikaya saha.
Yes. Saha tritiya. How can be balika saha? Sits with the girl. Balikaya saha. Upavishati. Not balika saha. Saha is pratama. Balika also pratama. No problem. Right? So yaha naraha nadi tiram gacchati. Saha balikaya saha upavishati. Shatranta would be nadi.
Gachan.
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 Nadi
Gachan naraha.
tiram
Gachan naraha.
naraha. Nadi tiram gachan naraha balikaya saha
Upavishyati.
upavishati. Which tense would be? Okay,
Upavishyati.
sorry, karmani would be
Gamisyan naraha.
karmani.
Upavishyati.
Vishyate.
Vishyate. Kena
Narena.
balikaya saha. What will
Gachata
happen to
narena.
balikaya?
That remains the same, no?
Remains
That will
Gachata
remain the
narena.
same. That will not change. That will remain same. Then after the narena, gachan is there, gachata. Nadi tiram gachata narena balikaya saha upavishyate. Now, future tense would be, sorry,
Tiram Gamisyan naraha. Balikaya saha.
yes, the mission, who will be going. Gamda to say it or anit?
Say it.
Anit.
Oh.
Then now E comes here, itagama. For parasmai pada pratya, when we add to the gam dhatu, then it will take itagama. Otherwise, no. In karmani, it will be gamsyate. If it comes gamishyati in parasmai pada, gamsyate. Gamsyate in karmani, we will use that form. Okay. Nadi tiram gamishyan naraha, who will be going to the river bank. Balikaya saha, he will sit. Okay, who will go to the river bank will sit with the girl. Okay, not sit, will sit. Then upa purvaka vish dhatu. Future tense would be, this also we have seen. Vish plus anit dhatu,
Yeah.
not vishi. That before it is not
Sya.
ishyas, jatsya.
Vishyate.
Dhatu vish dhatu. Upa purvaka.
Vishyate.
No, we will become
Vish.
ve.
Ve.
And shakara followed by shakara dhatu. Therefore, this will become murdanya. And shakara again followed by sakara. Therefore, it will become sakara. Therefore,
Upvekshyati.
shatam will happen. And therefore, vekshati. Vekshati the form. Upa plus vekshati. Upa vekshati. He will sit with the girl. Understand? Now, karmani would be
Narena Gamishyata narena.
Upa
Balikaya saha. Vekshyate.
vekshate. So, it will become narena. Gamishan will become Gamishyata.
Gamishyata.
Gamishyata Narena Balikaya Saha Upavikshate. Understand?
It will not become gamyati
Which one?
in karmani.
Here? Here, you're talking about here, Gamishan?
Oh, sorry. Okay. Huh.
Pratipadikam is Gamishyata. Who will be going? Gamyata is present tense. Who is going? Who will be going? Right? I mean, going is done. Gamyata is going is done by someone. But is it present tense? No.
Okay. Future.
It is future tense. Who will be going? So Gamishyan, right? Gamishyan Naraha. Gamishyantam Naram. Gamishyata Narena. Right? Gamishyate Naraya. Gamishyataha Narat. Gamishyataha Narasya. Gamishyati
Gamishyati Nare.
Nare. Simple. Samanadikaranyam. In keeping with the karta, this is adjective. Right? Verbal derived adjective. Adjective also will be in same vibhakti. So Gamishyat Shabda Tritiya Ekavachanam Gamishyata. Where Gamyate? Gamyate Kriyapadam. It's a verb. This is a noun form. Understand? Right?
Yes.
Here it will may come. Yaha Naraha Nadi Tiram Gachati. Here if you suppose translate. I mean, making it a karmani. Yena Narayana Nadi Tiram Gamyate. We can say. Saha Tena Balikaya Saha
Balika
Upa
Saha
Vishyate.
Veshyate.
Whole thing is karmani. Yena Narayana Nadi Tiram Gamyate. Tena Balikaya Saha Upa Vishyate. Right? There Gamyate. Understand? That I didn't do karmani. I just kept as it is. Other things we are doing. Okay. The servant going to the sage asked him. Two kriyas are there. One is going. Gachati.
Jakaraha Gachati.
Sevakaha.
Sevakaha. What is it? Karmakaraha, whatever it is.
Jakaraha.
Okay. Kutra gachati. Munim.
To the sage.
Munim prati.
Munim Prati Gachati.
Then Gatva Saka Kim Karoti.
Saha Prachati.
Dhatu. What is Dhatu Prachati?
Adata.
Huh?
Prachadhatu.
Not Prach. Prach Dhatu. Under Saṃskṛtam. Right?
Prachadhatu. Samprasaranam. Prachadhatu.
Dhatu is Prach. The Chakara, Checha. That's what we saw in the other class also. Tukka Kama. Prachati. Prach become Saṃskṛtam. I hope all those things we know. Now, Yaha Sevakaha Munim Prati Gachati Saha Kim Karoti Prachati. Saha Prashnam Prachati, whatever. Now, Shatranta would be
Munim Prati Gachan Sevakaha.
Munim Prati.
Munim Prati
Munim Prati
Gachan
Gachan.
Sevakaha.
Sevakaha.
Gachan Sevakaha Kim Karoti Prachati. Simple Shatranta Rupam. Karmani would be
Gachata Sevakena.
first we'll do with this.
Kriyapadam. Prachate.
Dhatu is
Prach.
Prach Dhatu.
Yes.
Then Te Karm Atmanipadi. Then
Yak.
Yak.
Yak will come. Then content is Ya. Kit Pratyaya. Then Prach will become Samprasanam. Kit Pratyaya Pare. The same thing happened here. So Repa will become R. So Pr. Prach. Prichyate.
Prachate.
Kena Prichyate.
Sevakena.
Kidrisha. Kidrishena
Gachata.
Sevakena Gachata. Munim Prati Gachata Sevakena Prichyate. Right? Now the servant who will be going to the sage will ask this question.
Gamishan.
Yes. Prichyati will become, will go to the sage, will ask him. Here also
Lakshyati.
will ask him. What is it? Dhatu is again Brach plus
Yeah.
Anik Dhatu, Sya. Brascha, Brasja, Sraja, Mraja. Daksha is the Chakaranta. So will be
Does it become
replaced by
Prakshati?
Shakara. Shakara will be replaced by then Shakara.
Yeah.
Then
Mm.
what do you have?
Good.
Prakshya.
Mm.
Like Drakshati, Prakshati, Vekshati. If the
Mm.
dhatu ending with Chakara or Shakara, you should remember this rule. Shaptom will happen, followed by
Mm.
Tutvam. Right? Prakshati. You will ask, Kaha, Sevakaha. Will be going. Becomes
Commission.
Gamishan.
Mission.
Gamishan, therefore it is. Itagama comes. Why? Because Shatru. Shatru is what Pratyaya? Parasmaipadi. Yes or no?
Mm.
Mm.
Shatru is Parasmaipadi or not?
Yes, it is.
Yes.
Yes.
How do we know it's Parasmaipada?
Sorry. What is it? Shit.
Shit is Sarvadhatukam. How do you know it's Parasmaipada?
Because Atmanepad is Shanaj, no?
Shanach. Yeah.
Yes. Atmanepade
Shanach is
Shanaj.
Atmanepadi.
Then Shatra is Parasmaipada. See.
Mm.
Anyway, the Sutram we have not seen anyway, it's okay. But Shatra Pratyaya comes in the place of Lat. Right?
Mm.
Replacing Lat. In the place of Lat only Tipta, Shisipta, Stambik plus comes. All the Pratyayas. So Shatra is a replacement for the Lat Pratyayas. And Shanaj is a replacement for
Atmane.
Ta Atam Ja Ta Sa Ta Adam it Vagi Magi. Atmanepade, same Lat Lakara only Shanaj. Right? The first Shatra is Parasmai Pada only. Because it is Parasmai Pada, therefore Gam Dhatu will, Anik Dhatu will take Itagama, therefore
Yeah.
Gamishan. Otherwise it will not have Gamishan.
Mm.
In Karmani it will be Gamsyate. Gamsyamana, we will see Shanach. Gamsyamana. Shanach, as we are not yet seen, we will see. This is a lot of exercises other we need to understand thoroughly. Then future tense would be
Prakshyate.
sorry, Karmani, sorry, future Karmani. Prakshyate.
Prakshyate. Sevakena.
Sevakaha
Sevikena.
Karmani.
Sevakena.
Sevakena
Yevakena.
Idrishena
Gamishyata.
Sevakena Gamishyata.
Mishyata.
Munim, either Munim Gamishyati or Munim Prati. You can take anything. Munim Prati Gamishyati. So because Prati is a, you can take Gam. See what Karaka is, suppose. Munim is what the Vibhakti. Okay.
Dvitiya.
Vidya.
Dvitiya.
Why it is Vidya? It has to be
Prati
karma, right?
takes Dvitiya.
No. Why it is Dvitiya? What will take Dvitiya Vibhakti? That
Karma.
which is karma will take Dvitiya. Karaka Drishti. Prati is Upapada. So Munim is there. Muni is karma. For Gamdhatu, it goes to the sage. So therefore, even without Prati also it will make sense. Munim Gacchati. It's okay. Munim Prati Gacchati, Munim Gacchati. So it is still karma. Prati, because Prati is not Upapada Vibhakti. It is still Karaka Vibhakti only. Karma for that is Gamdhatu, the place of destination, will take
Dvitiya.
Dvitiya. It's treated to be karma. Okay. You going to the king. So you go to the king.
Tell him.
Tell him. Tells it. Tell it, not tell him. Okay.
Vam.
Tvam.
Tvam Rupam Gaccha.
No. Just going. Gacchasi.
Gaccha. Tvam Gacchasi.
Always start with Kriya Bodham. Tvam. Same
Nrupam
thing here.
Prati.
Nrupam
Nrupam or
Gacchasi.
Nrupam
Or
Prati.
Nrupam Prati Gacchasi. Whatever it is. Then,
Tvam
Pruchasi.
Vadasi.
yeah,
No,
Vadasi.
it's not.
You going to the king, tell him. So just Vadasi. It's not order. Or you want to take it in order, that is also possible. Lot Lakar, you want to do it, can do it. Vada,
Mm.
possible,
Mm.
right? You can, that also you can say, nothing wrong.
Mm.
Now, here it is Yatacham Shabda. Yahatam, no, you cannot say Yahatam.
Yadatvam.
Yadatvam, that is better. Yadatvam nirpam prati gacchasi, tada vada. Yadatada, understand?
Mm.
You cannot say Yahatam. Yaha is that one who is, other refer to someone, not you, not me. Yada, you can say Yada, Yaha you cannot use, but Yada you can use. Yada agam gacchami, Yada atam gacchasi, something like that. But Yaha agam gacchami, that will not come. Yaha tam gacchasi, no. Okay, Yada tam nipampati gacchasi, tada tam vada. Now Shatanta would be
Nirpam prati gachan tvam vada.
Okay, Tom Vada is first one, but that we have to do first. Tom Vada, you tell. What you tell?
Nirpam prati gachan tvam vada.
Gachan.
Gachan. Nirpam prati gachan tvam vada. Simple. Right? Future tense would be. So that's why I take in the lot lakara is, lot lakara means it is lot only. You cannot take future and up. Or you can say Gamishan. You can say like this. But Vada will not change. But if you make it Vadasi, then future tense also possible. Tom Vadasi, then it will become Tom.
Vadish.
Vadishyasi.
Yeah. Vadishyasi. You can have future tense form here. So therefore we can take like that. We take load. Load doesn't have any tense. It's a mood, right? It's a future tense actually. Your load means just a sense of command means what? Commanding you to do means the sense of the future, right? So that's different. So Vadishyasi you can say. You who will go to the king will tell him. Let us. You who will go to the king will tell him. Will tell him is. Already I've done, no? Okay, sorry. Here already I've done.
Vadishyasi.
Already I've done here. I should have done Karmani. Instead of Karmani, I've done that. Okay. Anyway, Karmani will do now. What will be the Karmani of this? Tvam nirpam prati gachan tvam vadasi.
Vaya vadyate. Not vadyate.
Udyate.
Udyate.
Will undergo samprasaranam. Tvaya. Tvaya udyate. Lot lakara, if it is there, then Udyatam. Right? Nirpam prati gacchata.
Gacchata.
Nirpam prati gacchata. Tvaya. You understand how Udyate comes? What the plus? Yak plus te. What will undergo samprasaranam udyate. Understand? Okay. Then future tense, nirpam prati gamisyan tvam vadishyasi. Already we have done. Now future tense of Karmani of that would be vadishyasi will become Karmani. Vadishyate. Here samprasaranam will not happen. Vadishyasi tvaya vadishyate. By you. Tvaya vadishyate. Understand?
Gamishyata.
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 Nirpam prati gamishyata tvaya vadishyate.
Okay.
The king taking the sage into the palace worships him. So the king takes the sage to the palace.
Nrupaha munim prasadam nayati.
So nayati, that's what the first thing. Nayati, kaha nayati, nrupaha.
Nrupaha.
Nrupaha nayati, kam nayati, munim.
Munim.
He said prasadat.
Prasadam.
The ni dhatu. Remember Jikarmaka dhatu. So now tell me which is pradhana karma, which is gauna karma. Nripaha, prasadam, can you put both in Dvitiya Vibhakti? Possible, but I don't want to put.
Prasade.
So we can say prasade. Pradhana karma is, okay, ni dhatu, you remember, ni dhatu is, oh, in this class or which class I taught? Is it this class only, right?
The Sambhashanam class.
Oh, not here, no? I just confused. Did I teach you about the Dvikarmaka dhatu?
Yes, we have learned.
A while ago.
What is that?
Yes, yes, sir. Vikarmaka. It takes 2 karmas.
Then what else?
14 of them are there total.
Yeah, very good. Okay. It means I taught you, right?
Yes.
Oh, okay. It's good. I taught you then. Then ni dhatu, 12 plus 4, 16 total. But ni dhatu is something. What happens? Ni dhatu is different. You remember that? Okay, I think not in the other class I told. For generally, you have to find out what is pradhana karma, pradhana. All these things are words I use, no? Pradhana, pradhana. Yes or no?
Yes, we do. Yeah.
Huh?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Did we pradhana, pradhana we use, no? Pradhana, gauna karma.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So for the 12 dhatus, pradhana, so okay, 2 karmas will be there, right? So pradhana karma, apradhana, that is gauna karma. So for the 12 dhatus, that is dug, etc. Dugyadehe, remember? Dugyadehe, which will be in pratama?
Gaunam pratham.
That is, I think my sutra. Dugyadehe, gaunam pratama. Therefore, Dugyadehe gaunam pratama. Therefore, pradhanam would be Dugyadehe dvitiya.
Dvitiya, sorry.
This is karmani prayoga for the 12 dhatus. The other 4 dhatus, ni, hri, krip, and vaf, I think. For that, 4 dhatus. Okay, ni, hri, krip, vaham, which is pratama. Pradhanam will be in pratama and gaunam will be in
Dvitiya.
dvitiya. That is in karmani prayoga. Okay, understand. So what I said is, for karmani prayoga, it will be, okay, now before that, which is, now nripaha nayati, which is pradhana karma.
Munim.
Munim is pradhana karma. Okay. So it is kartari prayaha. So munim is pradhana karma. Right? Gauna karma.
Prasadam.
Prasadam is gauna karma. So in kartari prayaha, either we can make both as dvitiya, one possibility. Otherwise what will happen?
Becomes Saptami.
Or we can take here prasade. Nripaha prasade munim nayati. You can say this is adhikarana. If you don't want to express an adhikarana, you can have you have to see the context, okay? So nripaha nayati. It takes pradhana karma munim. Now kutra nayati you have to ask. What will be the answer? Kutra nayati. Saptami, natural adhikarana, right? So either prasade or prasadam. Both are okay. That's why it's called vikarma kadatu. Understand? Instead of prasade, we are saying prasadam. So I'll put this prasade in bracket because this is vikarma kadatu. 2 karmas it takes. So prasadam is equal to prasade. That's why I always said, you ask question and get answer. This is karaka. Kaha nayati, nripaha nayati, kam nayati, munim nayati, kutra nayati. Where does he take him? Prasade nayati. Prasade, instead of prasade, saptami adhikarana karaka, we use prasadam. Okay, this is one thing. Now in Karmani you will see interesting. I think we learned that. And he worships him. Saha pujayati. Right? Now. So now what will happen? Yaha nrupaha prasadam munim nayati saha pujayati. Right?
Tam pujayati.
Okay. Tam pujayati. Fine. Kshatranta would be munim nayan. It's okay. Tam pujayati. Let us take that. Saha tam. Saha will not come. We'll replace it by nrupaha munim pujayati. That also. Or tam, okay, tam will be there. Munim will take it here. Nayan. Who does it take? Whom does it take?
Munim.
Munim. Putra. Prasadam. Prasadam munim nayan. Or prasade munim nayan. Whatever it is. Saha tam pujayati. This is kartari prayoga. Right? Chatranta rupam. This is kartari. Now karmani when you do. Pujayati become?
Pujyate.
Pujyate. Not pujayati. Pujyate only.
Pujyate. Nrupena.
Kaha pujyate munihi.
Munihi.
Kena.
Nrupena.
Nrupena.
Nayata.
Nrupena pujayate. This will become Nayata. Here also we don't have problem. Prasadam munim Nayata we can make as it is. No problem here. So here doesn't make anything here. Prasadam munim Nayata nrupena munihi pujyate.
Saha
Right.
pujyate also we can write.
Huh?
Can we write saha pujyate also?
What is it?
Saha pujyate instead of
Yes.
repeating.
Yes, saha pujyate. Yes. Saha pujyate. Prasadam munim Nayata saha pujyate. So here it is, you don't see that impact of that pradhana karma taking for nihri pradhana karma will take dugya dege gaunam pradhanam will be pratama, but you don't see it here. It's okay. Then future tense would be Rasadam munim pujayati becomes who will worship it. Puja ishyati. Pujdatu. Puji, puje, pujaya, pujayishyati. Right? Pujayishyati. Pujdatu, I take it as 10th conjugation. Puji, puje, then pujaya. Right? Pujai, then pujayishyati. Prasadam munim.
Naishyan.
Huh? No.
Naishyan.
No, there is no Naishyan at all.
Nation.
Nidhatu is Anidhatu. Nation. Prasadam munim nation.
Nation, Guruji.
Huh?
1 second. Okay, Shatam. Yeah.
Shatam. Of course, Shatam will happen. That's not nation because A is there. The Karmani would be Puja Ishyate. Kena Nrupena. Saha Saha. Saha Puja Ishyate. Kidrishena Nrupena Neshyata. Prasada munim neshyata nrupena saha puja ishyate. Understand? Oh, many other goes on and on. Okay. We'll do this one and then you can see stop. All this is a good exercise to practice. The language is developed. He who requests a man to enter the palace leads him to the king. He who requests a man to enter the palace leads him to the king.
He leads.
He requests a
Saṃskṛtam
man to enter
prati
the palace and leads him to the king. Okay, that's what.
Mm.
So request.
Lord.
anurodhati.
Request is anurodha. Anurodhanam karoti. You can say. Or another word for request.
Prar-
Any
Yachate.
yachate. Yachate is begging actually. In that meaning, something you ask. Request. Prarthayati you can say. Right? Prarthayati. Or anurodhayati also you can say. Anurodhayati. Anurodhanam karoti. Or other word. Nimantrayati request also is nimantranam karoti, nimantrayati. Anyway, we don't decode all those things. Simple you can say prarthayati, right? That simple is that. Prarthayati. Prarthanam karoti, prarthayati.
Mm.
Saha prarthayati. Saha prarthayati. Right? Whom does he request? Saha naram
Naram
prarthayati.
prarthaya.
Kimartam prarthayati. He requests a man to enter the palace.
Mm.
Prasadam pravishtum
Prasadam
Vishtum.
praveshtum vishdatu. Saha prasadam praveshtum vishdatu, then
Naram
tum pratyaya. Saha prasadam praveshtum. Prasada is a karma for praveshana kriya.
pravishtum.
Naram pratyayati. Then what does it do? Saha,
Saha tam rupam prati nayati. Nrupam
yes.
nayati.
Saha tam nrupam prati
Prati Nayati.
nayati. See here also leads him to the nayati are using. Saha tam nrupam nayati. Suppose if you use prati. Prati without prati. Which is pradhana karma.
Tam
Tam pradhana karma.
Mm.
And towards whom?
Rupam.
Otherwise, what vibhakti will come?
Leads him to the king.
chaturthi.
No, Panchami. Parvatat.
Prasadam.
Not Panchami.
No.
It will be chaturthi, no?
He is going
Towards
towards.
the.
If he is going away, then Panchami.
It will be Chaturthi, Nirpaya.
Mm.
Saha tam Nirpaya nayati. Not Panchami. Why Panchami? Why Apadana?
Panchami is away, going away.
Leads him to the king. Why away?
No, Panchami is for, I said, when it is something away, the
Yeah,
Panchami comes. Not
away
in
is
this.
Panchami. But here, leads him to the king, right?
Towards, to the, yeah.
Yeah. So therefore, we can say,
But Guruji,
Saptami also we can. Saptami is Saha tam Nirpe nayati. We can say. Why not? You can use say Saha tam Nirpe nayati. In fact, I have given a stock example. If you see, Janakaha putram patalayam nayati. Patalaye nayati, we say, right? The place or the, where is been taken to, that can be apadana. That can be, sorry,
Sorry, it is a person. So we
adhikarana,
cannot say
Shmitam.
Nrupe.
Huh?
Then it becomes in the king.
No.
To take
Why
Saptami.
you put it in English? English, but if you put it in problem.
Yeah.
You cannot say in the Nipa. In the king, don't.
And then none.
Nirpaya means then what? What is, when do you use Chaturthi Bhakti?
So towards the king.
How do you say towards his Chaturthi? Nirpaya. How do you say Chaturthi? So Nirpaya is Chaturthi. Then how do you use Chaturthi? That we have to subdivide it, right?
Mm.
So Chaturthi, when do you use? When there is the purpose of action or the result, recipient of that. But here, Chaturthi will come. See, Ni Dhatu. See, for example, Chaturthi, I'll give another example, not for this Dhatu, another Dhatu. Like, Chaturthi Bhakti, example. Suppose you speak, right? Let's talk example. Now, Guru asks a question. Guru Prachati. What does he ask?
Prashnam Prachati.
Prashnam Prachati. Whom does he ask?
Shishyaya.
Saha Guruhu Shishyaya Prashnam Prachati. Chaturthi, right? Towards whom it is said Saṃskṛtam. So that Saṃskṛtam can be either because like Guru, it's a Dvikarmaka Dhatu. Therefore, you can say.
It can also be Dvitiya, isn't it, Guruji? Sishyam.
Yes, that's what I'm saying. Yeah, Sishyam
Prashnam
Prachati.
My only point was that Guruji's Chaturthi sounds better than Saptami in this case.
But you have to say how does it sound better?
Okay.
Yeah, Chaturthi also, of course, see, you cannot say this is correct because it is Vivaksha, your Vivaksha. Vivakshataha Karakani. So, but you have to substantiate why it is Chaturthi. I'm also thinking, okay. Chaturthi seems to be better. Instead of,
because the result of the action is towards the king.
The result is towards
No, result is
the
for the
benefit
is not to the king.
Benefit is
the
not
person is taken to the king, right? The person is taken to the king. So Saptami, it's okay. Again, Vivaksha, my Vivaksha. Or the result of the action, the Nayana Kriya. The result of the Nayana Kriya
is going to the
karma
person.
is okay. Nripaya is also possible. We can do it. Why not? Yes. You have to substantiate. See, the karma is tam, and it is led to the Nripa. So Sampradana, that is Chaturthi, we can use when the result, the recipient of the result of the action. That is also Chaturthi only. That is what Sampradana is. So the tam, the Muni, finally, it is intended for going Nripa. Here, whether it is Chetana or Achetana doesn't matter. Like Upadesham Shishyaya, tam Nripaya Nayati. You can say Nripaya. Again, Vivaksha. Nripe Nayati, you cannot say it is wrong also. Okay. So both are possible. Or simply Nripam, Saha tam Nripam Nayati. Nripam is equal to Nripaya. Chaturthi, I think Chaturthi is better here. Nripaya Nayati. Because you have to substantiate. So the karma finally is intended for. Whatever may the karma, tam is intended for the Nripa. So therefore, Nripaya Nayati, you can say. Yes, why not? It's correct. Not sounds better and all, we have to substantiate by the Karaka. Okay. See, that's why I asked this question. Suppose you are giving, you are asking question. In fact, another dhatu in the list, if you see, Prichati, Chatraha Gurum Prashnam Prichati, right? Now, Prichadhatu also is Vikarmaka dhatu. In the sentence, Chatraha Gurum Prashnam Prichati, which is Pradhana Karma.
Prashnam is
Prashnam.
So, Chatraha Gurum Prashnam Prichati. Then Guru will be?
Gauna Karma.
What Karaka it is?
Chaturthi.
Yeah.
So Chaturthi means Gurave.
Mm.
Mm.
No, here it is Gurum only.
So the Gurave Prashnam Prachati or Guroho Prashnam Prachati also is fine. Why not?
Mm-hmm.
The
Mm.
Prashna which is intended from
For
the Guru. Apadana Karaka. Guroho Prashnam Prachati. Not Shashti, it is Apadana.
mm.
From the Guru. But you cannot translate it in English like that. Okay. English,
Mm-hmm.
you don't try it in English.
Mm.
So Chatraha Guroho Prashnam Prachati is valid.
Mm.
Chatraha Gurave Prashnam Prachati. You want to make say it is some Sampradana, that is also fine.
Gurum Prashna.
Of course, Gurum Prashnam is Vikarmaka Dhatu.
Mm.
Okay. This Vikarmaka has all this sense, so you can note. So for here, Nripaya Nayati is fine. Nripam Nayati, Nripaya Nayati. Now, Shatranta would
So,
be, yeah.
Guruji,
Okay.
let's say we change the statement. Guruhu Chatrat Prashnam Prachati. Will it be that?
Guruhu,
No, that okay. No, it can't be Chatrat Prashnam Prachati, right?
why not?
It can be. Okay.
That I mean, I said Chatraha Guroha Prashnam Prachati. You said Guru Chatra,
Chatra.
okay, and whatever it is. Apadana is there, right? Chatra.
But the
Prashna.
meaning of that is not the same as Guruhu Chatram Prashnam Prachati, right?
It's same, no?
Of course, it will not be same, right? Who asks a question? Guru asks a question or Shishya asks a question. That will be in Pratama Bhakti. From whom it is asked, that will be Apadana, right? Guruhu Prachati, Guru asks, right? Guru asks whom? Shishya means Shishya, then Shishyat. Shishya, yeah, both are okay. What does he ask? Prashnam. That is Pradhana Karma will be in Dvitiya. From whom he asks, no, that depends. You can say it in Sampradana or you can say in Apadana. That's okay.
Okay.
Again, it's a Vivaksha only, right? It cannot be in any other Vibhakti. You cannot have in Tritiya or Shashti or Apadana. Either you can say it is, Apadanam, not Adhikaranam, sorry, okay, Apadanam or Sampradhanam, not Adhikarana. Adhikarana and Karana and all ruled out. Either, but I'm talking about the Prachati Kriya, for example. Guruhu Prachati, Guruhu Prashnam Prachati. From whom does he ask, or for whom the question is, the question is for. Then it can be Sampradana or Apadana, possible. Okay, Sampradana is better. So therefore here, Saha, tam is Pradhana Karma, Nirpam Nayati, Nirpaya Nayati. So he is directed toward, leads to. Karma is the recipient is not physical as well as some emotional, whatever it is, to whom it is intended for. That is Sampradana, therefore Nirpaya. That's fine. Okay. Then.
But there is no benefit. Kind of
That is one. That is benefit is
Sampradana.
that is one, but not that alone is not Sampradana. Sampradana, we have seen purpose of action, the recipient of the result of action, right? And towards even with Dada, to what we do, see, Nirpaha to the Bhiksha, the Bhikshu. Yachakaya. Yachakaya is the recipient, Dhanam Yachati, Nirpaha Dhanam Yachati. Whom does he give? Yachakaya. Yada, Yachdatu, Dadatu. That there it is very clear, the recipient. That has to be in Sampradana only. What else? You cannot say Yacham, Yachakam, Yachakaya Dhanam Yachati. Yachakam Yachati, you can say, why not? But when Dadatu is there, it is better to use Sampradana because by Karaka it is Sampradana. But I want to use Dutiya, your choice. Karaka is Vivaksha, your Vivaksha. Understand? Nripaha yachakam yachati. Why not? It's correct. Nripaha yach. But yach dhatu is not vikarmaka dhatu. Right? Is it vikarmaka dhatu? No. I don't think so. Yach dhatu, vikarmaka dhatu. So if it is not sorry, yach is vikarmaka dhatu. It happens to be. So it's very good. So therefore, yachakam, yachakaya, both are okay. Why not? Duk yach, in fact, in the karika, duk yach, yach is also vikarmaka dhatu. So therefore, nripaha yachakaya or yachakam dhanam echati. Both are okay. Fine. Suppose the person asks you, from you, we use yach dhatu, right? No, you see, saha yachate. Kaha, that yachakaha yachate. From whom? You ask from whom? Then what do you
Mayyam.
say? Nripat. The example I'm saying. Yachakaha nripat dhanam yachate. So dhanam is pradhana karma, from whom he asked. Right? That will be apadana. Nripat. Yachakaha nripat dhanam yachate. Then what does the nripat do? Nripat does. Nripaha yachakaya dhanam yachati. Right? Dhanam yachati. Gives. The yachati is not Dikarmaka dhatu. Yach dhatu is Dikarmaka dhatu. Interesting, you see, not right? But again, yachati, if you want to say yachakam yachati, that is also valid. That is also correct. Nripaha yachakam yachati. Nripaha yachakam yachati. Nripakaha yachakam dhanam yachati. You want to make it as a two as a karma. That yach dhatu is not a vikarmaka dhatu. So it would be better in that case, you make the yachakam into yachakaya. Dhanam is the karma. Only one karma it can take, yach dhatu. Grammatically, cannot take two karma. It's not vikarmaka dhatu. Right? Da dhatu. Therefore, you put yachaka in chaturthi. Understand? Even otherwise also, grammatically, yachakaya is better. Yachakaya yachati. To whom, the whoever asks, to him you give something, that object, the karma, grammatical karma. That is sampradana. If it is sampradana, then use chaturthi bhakti as per the rule. Grammatically. But in the language, you may see people using yachakam. It is not, in fact, not correct. Shuddha, ashuddha. Understand? Not sadhu. If it is sampradana, use chaturthi. Understand? Understand what I'm saying? Yes.
Yes.
I said so many things. You can just summarize. So, yach dhatu is vikarmaka dhatu. Da dhatu, not vikarmaka dhatu. When da dhatu is used, karma has to be in dvitiya, and the recipient of that karma has to be in chaturthi. Sampradane chaturthi. That's the rule. No, I will say in dvitiya. Can say that it is not sadhu, but in the language people use like that. It is not sadhu. Like in English, we don't follow it strictly, but it's not proper. Grammatically not proper. So you have to use chaturthi only. If it's sampradana, chaturthi, it's very clear. Yach dhatu happens to be vikarmaka dhatu. There, what is asked for? That is pradhana karma. Then annam yachate. From whom? That is apadana. That also you can put it in Dvitiya Vibhakti because yach dhatu is vikarmaka dhatu. Understand? So, like yachakaha, nripam, annam or dhanam yachate. Or yachakaha, nripat, annam yachate. Right. Similarly, here, ni dhatu for which two karmas possible. Therefore, these two. And nripam can be nripaya. Right. Okay, we'll do this and then stop. But think about this. The Dikarmaka is like that only. Little tricky. There is no such, hard and fast rule. That's why I said Vivakshataha Karakani. What Karaka you want to use, that is your choice. That is why when we study Shastram, what Karaka, what Vibhakti is used, why it is used, it has significance. We cannot just simply rule out, some Vibhakti is used and then it's applying. No. Why in that Vibhakti? Other possible Vibhaktis are there. Why in that Vibhakti means Karaka? That's why it's important. Analysis grammatically. Pada analysis. Pada Shastram. The Shastram Vyakaranam is important when we analyze the Vakyams of the Shastram. Okay. Now, let us do the Shatranta. Shatranta would be Nayati Prasadam Praveshtum
Prarthayan Naraha.
Prarthayan Saha Prasadam Praveshtum
Prarthayan Saha.
Prarthayan Saha. Saha Prarthayati, right? Prasadam Praveshtum Saha Prarthayati. Okay, let us do from here. Nayati. Kaha Nayati.
Saha Nayati.
Saha Nayati. Saha Tam Nripam Nayati. Now Saha will be
Prarthayan
qualified by
Saha Praveshtum Naram Nripaya Nayati.
so Prarthayan
Praveshtum
Saha Prasadam Praveshtum Prarthayan Saha Tam. Tam is Naram. Saha Naram Nripaya Nayati. Just see the sentence. Prasadam Praveshtum Prarthayan Saha. Whom does he request?
Naram.
Prasadam Praveshtum Prarthayan Tam. Saha Naram Nripam Nayati. Either you put Naram here or Naram you can, if you say Prasadam Praveshtum
Naram
Prarthayan. You can put Naram here. Prasadam Praveshtum Naram Prarthayan. Prasadam Praveshtum.
Prarthayan Naran would sound.
No. Naram Prasadam Praveshtum Naram Prarthayati. Yes. Prasadam Praveshtum Naram Prarthayan Saha Tam Nripam Nayati. Karmani would be? No. Karmani. Again, here it is. Yeah. Here it will make change, I think. Yes. Because here we have two. Here, main sentence itself, we have Nidatu, the Karmaka Dhatu. So, therefore, Niyate. Here, what is Pradhana Karma? Pradhana Karma is Tam. Tam will be Dugyadehe, which is Pradhanam, Gaunam is Pradhanam. Dugyadehe, Gaunam, Pratama, sorry. Right? For the 12 Dhatus, what is Pradhanam? Gaunam is Pradhanam. Gaunam is Pratama. What is Pratama? Gaunam is Pratama. For Ni, Hri, Krip, for those Dhatus, which is Pratama, Pradhanam is Pratama. Which is Pradhanam here? Tam. So Tam will become Saha. And Saha will become Tena. Understand? And Gauna will be in Dvitiya. That will be Dvitiya. Tena Saha Nripam Niyate. It's a beautiful sentence. Very nicely confusing. Okay, take. Prarthayata. Prasadam Praveshtum Naram Prarthayata Tena Saha Nripam Niyate. To understand the sentence means from Saṃskṛtam to English to translate, you have to scratch your head like anything. Very difficult. Need to do a lot of analysis. But you see how much you're doing here. Right? Niyate, Vikarmaka Dhatu, find out Pradhanam, Apradhanam. Pradhanam is Saha, therefore Saha Niyate. He is led by whom? By him. To whom? And then qualified by all the other things. Right? It's a good sentence. Think about this. Now, future tense would be Prasadam. Okay, Nayati will become Neshyati.
Neshyati. Hmm.
Neshyati. So saha tam neshyati. Prarthayan becomes
Prarthayishyan.
prarthayishyan. So karmani would be neshyati will become neshyate. Simple.
Neshyate.
So neshyate.
Prarthayishyata.
Saha nripam neshtena saha. Prartha.
Prarthayishyata.
Okay. I think we'll stop here. It's a good example. One sentence, it takes one class. Sometimes it will happen like that. But it is good to note the sentence. Like that, many times, many topics come up in the class, as done before also. But I don't recollect all the sentences. But this is one of the good sentences you can note.
Hmm.
Where you see the karmaka dhatu. Right?
Hmm.
Okay. We'll stop here. Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnamevavashishyate Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om. See, if it comes like this in statement in the Upanishad, how much analysis we have to do? Suddenly we cannot take any sentence and do analysis. Not possible. We should know the context. We should know the vivaksha, context, vivaksha, everything you need to know and then analyze a sentence. So it requires a lot of thing. So just like that, we cannot, in the beginning, cannot do. First understanding the simple meaning of this Upanishad or whatever it is, Gita. Then we can do vichara later. Okay. Anyway, it's a good one. Think about this. If you have any doubts, you ask me next class. Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyawad.
Dhanyawad.
This document is there with you. I sent you already.
Yes,
Yeah.
Guruji. Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyawad.